What's the meaning of Brooklyn? Brooklyn. Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. Brooklyn. Brooklyn is one of the 5 boroughs that make up New York City. It is located in the southeastern part of the city and is the most populous borough with approximately 2.5 million residents. Brooklyn has a rich cultural history and is known for its diverse neighborhoods, vibrant art scene, and iconic landmarks like the Brooklyn Bridge and Coney Island. The name Brooklyn is thought to have originated from the Dutch word Broekelen, which means broken land. Today, Brooklyn is a cosmopolitan hub of creativity and innovation, attracting people from all over the world to live, work, and play.